Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of this phone I picked up on eBay. I did have to kind of cut the packaging a little bit so that the tracking number is blurred out. So here we go. Let's take a look and see. There's the phone. It's a HTC EVO 4G if I remember right. Here's the model PC36100. This is on Sprint. No battery or back cover. But that's how I buy a lot of these, to be honest. Kickstand seems to be intact. Piece of paper on my fingers. Yeah. I don't see any kind of water indicator on this one either. It's not cracked, so it's always a good start. So hopefully we can get this one to work as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.